So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without showing your face. I'll give you some amazing ideas to start a channel without showing your face and how you can make money out of it. Hey, what's up guys? This is Karthik here. Welcome to another video. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I share some awesome stuff, but don't do it now. Watch the entire video and decide for yourself. You know, so 5 years back when I was working in the Valley in USA, I was thinking about starting a YouTube channel, but I was afraid. I was like scared. I was scared to show my face or worried about how I might look on camera, about criticism I would face, and if I went public, like what would people say, what would people think, and all these different thoughts in my head, like really, it was really bad. But look where I am today. I'm not saying that I have like 1 million subscribers or anything, I just have 2,500 subscribers, but recently I've gotten serious with YouTube, like in the last 1 year or so, and I've been producing a lot of content lately, and I'm comfortable on camera now, and it took a while for me to, be comfortable on camera. So I'm not saying that you should be comfortable on camera, but I'm saying that there are other ways by which you can actually make money on YouTube without showing your face. So here are 4 ways by which you can actually make money on YouTube without showing your face. So number 1 is called screencast videos. Screencast videos are videos where someone records what they're doing on the computer and explains it with a voiceover. The face is usually not seen, but the content is compelling enough so that you just need the voice and the instructions on screen. There are a lot of famous YouTube channels that has this kind of content, and they're usually explainer videos, like where people show how to work on a software or sometimes even gaming and things like that, where you can just show your computer screen recorded and have your voice on top of that. The one problem or challenge with this kind of videos is that you need a lot of software and a mic and things like that to get this done. So I'm going to share some links in the description where you can go and download some of these softwares that will let you do screencasting and voiceovers really well. Check it out. So the second idea is text-based animation videos. Text-based animation videos are a huge hit on YouTube. These are those channels where a topic is explained via text-based animation, or sometimes a top 10 list or things like that. The person never shows his or her face on screen but explains the concept with a voiceover and animation. Sometimes they're called infographics and they're awesome. I personally love infographics. Again, you might need some skills to make these animations, but today you have a lot of softwares available where you can just go in, put in the content, and software itself will create the animation for you to some level. But then if you want to go really advanced, there are advanced tutorials by which you can create these animations, and they'll teach you how to create these animations really well. The third idea is craft videos. Now these are videos where you show the viewers how to do something, like making something or playing with toys or puppets, whatever it is, but it should be entertaining to the viewer. As long as your content is interesting and entertaining, there will be viewers, right? Like there are a lot of channels on YouTube where they show you how to create something, how to do something. Sometimes it's puppets just talking to each other, but it's so entertaining. The person never shows their face, but the channels are huge and they have like millions of subscribers. You could be one of those channels too if you want to. The next idea is travel videos. I know what you're thinking. Travel videos typically means someone going to a place, recording it and showing up on camera, telling you what to do, where to go and things like that. But not every travel video or travel channel has to be like that. Well, there are a lot of people in this world who like to see peaceful travel videos where the hosts don't show up annoyingly in every frame. You could do great travel videos behind the camera with just your voice taking the lead with beautiful imagery. Works all the time. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. You don't have to show your face, that's okay. But showing your face actually helps. People like people, and if they like your personality, they will love you. Like people watch my videos and my channel because they like me and my personality or what I'm saying, the content and things like that. So it really helps if you can develop a good personality and be comfortable showing it on camera. But if you don't want to do it, that's completely okay. There are many ideas like the ones I just mentioned above that you can do without showing your face and still be useful for people. Just make your content interesting because that's what people like and that's what really matters on YouTube. Oh, and there's something that you cannot do or should not do on YouTube, and that's copying other people's content. I've seen a couple of people talking about how you can download other people's video on YouTube and then uploading it or editing it in one way or the other and showing it as your content on your channel. Please don't do that because that's against the YouTube's policies, and you will at some point of time get caught and even have your monetization option stripped off or taken off from your channel. So don't do that. Please avoid. Okay, so that's it guys. Hope you found the video useful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them. So I have more videos for young beginner YouTubers like you. Check out the playlist on my channel. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Money Karthik signing off. Yeah, I know I'm showing my face, but you don't have to and you can still make money. Let's see.